sales. And just as I select any of the options, you can see there are different campaign types that I could target. There's the search and display network, there's shopping, and there's video. So talking about specifically for this video, it's necessary that your Google merchant account is connected to this. That's another part, that's a topic for another day. I won't be going for that, but simply if you just guys want to get started and see how it's tight, I suggest that you simply go with search and display network. So right now let's click on search, and automatically our ad would be converted into display ads as well. This is where all my text-based ads would appear. But if I want someone to see a specific creative banner that I created, I will go with display ads. So since search is more simpler for anyone to get started, I'm going to click on it, and I want people to visit my website and give phone calls, right? So let me just put in the name of the website that I don't have, but I'm going to use it for example over here. Right, this is the website address, and for phone number, right, I can even go for store visits, but I'm certainly not trying to do that right now. I don't know how effective this is, but these two work good for me, right? So let's go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so now we are done with the campaign. And now let me show you a few more options over here. We've got the option to select campaign settings. We've got select setup ad groups, create ads, and confirmation. Now we have already done with this part. Now you're going to spend most of our time in setting up ad groups and create an ad. And obviously the confirmation, this is where you put in your card information and obviously the code that you got in the email, right? So first comes the campaign name. I'm going to name it as sales, and you can see that includes search and display network both, but this would be text based. I'm going to show that to you, right? Let me first put in the name of the campaign. (19th to 30th September). This is how I like to rename my campaigns. I'm going to go ahead and click on more settings. So here you can see that there's the option for the start and end date. I'm just going to select an end date and move forward, right? 19th to 30th September. And now comes my most favorite part, the targeting. This is where it makes it really different from Facebook. Now, right now I'm in the city, Karachi. And you can see that there are 7.3 million people in this city that could be targeted. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, right? So right now I can target every single person who is in this city. Zoom this out.